Hello and welcome, guys. This would be a short video into our course where we will be looking how to install Git so that we can run commands locally on our machine. Okay, so here this is the Git's official web page where you can see certain things, that it is a version control system and stuff like that. You can even check the documentation. It has a decent enough documentation. So anytime you want to refer, you can come over here and do. But we're keeping this video short. We'll be just installing the Git. And one more thing, I do not have a Mac OS, so I cannot show you how to install on a Mac, but I think the process would be similar to Windows. Let's download it for Windows, and the Mac users can follow along. I think it would be similar. So from over here you can download the installer for Git. So let's just download. So it is downloading now. Let's wait for it to download and I'll get back to you. So we have downloaded Git, the installer for the Git. Let's open the installer. Cool. So let's give the admin privileges and all that stuff. So this is the setup. Let's go ahead and click next. You can choose the directory where you want to install Git on your machine. I'd like to install that in the D drive, so I'm gonna do next. These are some options that additionally, if you want to install some things, I'll keep them to default. Let's click next. Okay, this is the default text editor which Git will be using. We'll be seeing where the Git automatically opens a text editor. So choose this as the text editor which you basically write code in. So I usually use VS Code, so I'm going to keep my default as VS Code. If you're using Sublime or Atom, you can keep something like that. So I'm going to go with VS Code as a default editor. It's clear, but this can be configured later. If you haven't configured anything, this can be configured later. So next, let's keep this all to default, and yep, next. Come on, this is so long setup. Oh, finally the installation has started. Yep, let's wait for it to install, and we have completed installation for Git. So I'm gonna finish this up just to cross verify things. If it is properly installed, I'm gonna open cmd. You can even open terminal or command prompt, whatever you wish. Cool. So I'm gonna do git -v. Okay, we ran into a problem. So it's -- version. Yep, and there we go. We get this thing. So that means Git is properly installed on our machine. And if you get some error, that means there is some issue installation. So you might consider reinstalling it or something, but should be fine. All right. So I think that was it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks. Like and subscribe.